Hi guys, my name is Aboobacar and today you will know how to make chocolate chip cookies from scratch. Chocolate chip cookies are really delicious and easy to bake. I did a lot of research and I can certainly tell that this is the best recipe and you do not need to look elsewhere. After watching this video, you will know how to make homemade chocolate chip cookies from scratch that are crunchy and chewy. For these delicious chocolate chip cookies, you will need these ingredients. You will find a list of all the ingredients in the description below. Add 120 grams of butter to a bowl. The butter should be at room temperature. Add 100 grams of white sugar, 100 grams of dark brown sugar. Mix all the ingredients until well combined. The dark brown sugar is rich in molasses and will make our cookies chewier and boost the flavor of the cookies. When the ingredients are combined, add 1 room temperature egg. Mix well. Oops, I forgot the vanilla extract. Add vanilla extract and mix all the ingredients well. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Using a sieve, add 190 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Sieve the dry ingredients. Mix until combined. Don't forget to make a mess. This is the most essential step of this recipe. When all the ingredients are combined, add 180 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Mix a little bit. Now add 100 grams of chocolate bar. I'm using 70% cocoa. You can use high or less percentage depending on your taste. You will experiment an explosion of different flavors in your mouth. Grab a knife and cut the chocolate bar in really small pieces. The different textures and different chocolate flavors will make your chocolate chip cookies be on another level. Add the pieces into your chocolate chip cookies, mix them well. Make sure the chocolate chips and chocolate pieces are really worked into the cookie dough. You can see by the dough that every bite will have chocolate pieces. Now it's time to shape the cookies. With the spoon, grab approximately a 2 tablespoon portion and roll it in your hands into a ball shape. Repeat the process for the remaining balls. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button and click the notification bell. I like to add extra chocolate chips on top of the cookie dough balls. It will make the cookies look more impressive. Chill the chocolate chip cookie dough for approximately 30 minutes. It will boost the flavor and they will cook beautifully. If you leave it in the fridge overnight, it will boost the flavor even more. You can freeze some balls if you want and you can use it when you need it. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and bake it for 14 to 16 minutes until you see the edges getting golden brown. When you remove the cookies from the oven, let it cool down for a few minutes before removing them. Wow, look at these beautiful chocolate chip cookies. You can see that the cookies are rich with different chocolate texture. It is soft in the inside and crunchy and chewy at the same time. The color of the chocolate chip cookies is perfect. All the ingredients are in perfect harmony. So now is the taste test. You can see from the cookies the both type of chocolate, the chocolate chips and the chocolate chunks that we cut. Now let's try it. Wow, amazing guys. It's chewy from the inside, crunchy from the outside, really delicious, easy to do, anybody can do it, so have a try. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and click the notification bell. I will see you on the next video. Take care.